All right, so today we'll be replacing the front brake pads on a 2014 Mercedes C300. We're going to start by removing these bolts with 17 millimeter socket. All right, so these are the front brakes. You can see there's a cover here that we're going to have to pry off using a flathead Phillips. I'm trying to do this with one hand right now, but off camera I'll just pry that clip off, that cover off, and then in the back you have some 13 millimeter bolts. I already removed those. Those are the bolts right there, and then we're just going to go ahead and remove that caliper. So compressing.
Oh, we're
The
recording.
piston. No, yeah, that's all right.
That's a way of doing it. So.
And this we just pried off with the screwdriver, popping it out this way. Be careful because it'll fly at you sometimes. Now I just got to compress the piston.
Moto.
Oh, you took the sensor out already?
This side doesn't have a sensor.
Oh, okay. So I guess sensor only on the passenger side. Good to know. That's weird. So if this, I guess you expect them to both go out at the same time.
Yeah.
That's German engineering. My Tesla has sensors on all four wheels. Caliper bolts. Now you gotta just make them nice and tight.
Mechanic tight.
Guten tight. German, Guten tight.
Yeah.
And you're done. Well, actually, no. Hard part comes now. There we go.
There you go. And here's that plate.
And the cover. And we're done.
I think I got it there.
All right. That's it. You put everything back together and you're done. All right, so that's going to be it for today's video. The last final things, you have to torque the caliper bolts to around 25 foot-pounds. The lug nuts or the wheel bolts, however you want to call them, those are torqued down to 96 foot-pounds. Remember that you have to pump the brakes several times, turn the car on, pump it several times, and then there's usually braking procedures. I usually go up to 40 miles an hour, just slam on the brakes gradually. And then before you stop, you start again. You do it about 3 times, and then you go up to about 40, and you kind of slam on the brakes a couple times, and without going into the ABS. And that's your normal braking procedure. So that's going to be it for today. I'm going to put a link in the description for the items that I used, either through Amazon or through Walmart, same parts. These are, I think, the OEM. I think they're Bosch. So you'll find that in the description. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe, like, share. Thank you. See you at the next one. Y'all take care and stay safe.